Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5066835 or KB5066128. Because of this error, that is error code is 0x80070003, we couldn't install this update. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update and then hit pause. If you see retry option, hit retry, and then if that does not work, pause the update, and then once paused, now hit resume updates and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these run these three commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the first scan is 100% complete, then you copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, and once all the scans are 100% complete, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now select Windows Update, make a scroll down, click on make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart, and then find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Again make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, now you can update. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, you can go to this website. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Now over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5066835 or KB5066128, whichever is giving you the error message, and then search the update over here. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box, WinVer, and click on WinVer run command. Now check the version. In my case, it's version 25H2. And check the system type. So go to system in Windows settings and then scroll down, go to about option. Over here you can see the system type, 64-bit operating system in my case. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So you have to you have to download the update as per your system and your version. Now on this screen, click on this KB5066835 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and just follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually. And you can even install it, restart your computer, and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, go to recovery option, and then click on, here you can say fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. Now click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once the reinstall is done, you will see the repair version over here like this. In my case, 25H2 is repair version. And once this is done, try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. Now for this, you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save the location. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once the download is complete, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or a minute to close. And once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on a Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.